seen a lot of Teslas that are really dirty. And don't get me wrong, I know that you can't put an electric car in a car wash because car wash is wet and you can't get an electric car wet. So I never thought of how are people with Teslas washing their cars? Like, are there car wipes or using just like Clorox wipes, or just curious?
What the? Welcome back to Will We Make It? It's Cosmo, and I'm glad you can join us. And just a little quick look to see, what people are thinking about today with these EVs. Now, that is a perfect reason why we can't get an EV. We can't wash them. So there goes that idea. Of course, let me remind you, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Invest at your own risk. This is what I'm doing. You do not need to do what I do. All right, now let's get with it. All right, let's get right into it. Let's pull up our stash account here. Pretty much hasn't changed. Start of the Monday week. So it'll update probably by the end. Stash doesn't update in real time. It generally takes a little while for it to update. But I just want to go over my portfolio and what I have planned for the week. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in $5 Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. And look, $5 NVIDIA, $5 Tesla, Apple, Ainley Capital Management, which is a retail. They pay a really nice dividend. I believe it's 12% or 9%. I might have to look it up, but they pay a really nice dividend. So I'm trying to bump my ownership, share ownership up a little bit so I can get a pretty decent dividend. Of course, you have to have a lot invested to get any type of worthwhile dividend, but I'm getting there. So, and then I have Coca-Cola Company and a few other ones, all totaling about $35. I'll be investing. Nothing much, like nothing. We don't want to break the bank, in case anything happens. Right now, the market is, the market's down today. We can go to Google Finance real quick. Go ahead and pull it up. See how the market's doing. You can see pretty much in the red. The VIX is up. That's the fear gauge. So it looks like people are getting a little fearful, but what they say is when people are fearful, we need to be greedy. So, that's what I'm looking at. And I'm looking at some opportunities where the price is low, I can get in at a good price. And when the market recovers, that's how you make that profit. So, that's not easier said than done, but as you can tell, the Dow's down 1%. It's been going kind of up and down. Let's see, the S&P is down 0.61% currently right now. NASDAQ's down 1.2%. Oh, there we go. 1.14% is going down. So I do believe they say everything's been priced in from the rate hikes, but only time will tell. Like I said, nobody can predict the market. It is, you just kind of got to do your own research, and I think eventually, when in doubt, they say zoom out. So we zoom out to the 5-year. Once again, it's going up. It's on a upward trend. Let's take a look at my Robinhood account. Now you can see for the day I'm actually down 2.2%. So it's not great, but actually if you go look for the week, I'm actually up 25%. So I'm up $30 in Robinhood so far, and that's largely due to the rebound of Friday. You can see it is kind of going down. Again, I have a auto purchase, reoccurring purchase here on Monday as well, $5 in 2 of these. I do kind of want to get into, unfortunately, Sundial Growers doesn't offer, for some reason, doesn't offer $5 auto invest. I guess you have to buy the shares just buy the shares outright. I'm not sure, but it would not allow me to auto invest in sundial growers. AMC, I kind of stood back. I kind of want to see where they're going. They've been pretty stagnant, going around, flopping between the 11, 12, 15, $16 range. So I'm kind of wishy-washy on AMC, but I am keeping an eye on them as well. Of course, we have the crypto market. The crypto market has been down, but it does look like it's turning around shortly here. It was down earlier. I don't know how accurate this has been. I just looked at it earlier and it was down, but according to CoinMarketCap, it is not doing too bad. You can see Ethereum's up 14% from the last 7 days. That's awesome. I do have some Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do have some Shiba Inu, which is up 6% in the last 7 days. And look at ApeCoin. ApeCoin has dropped dramatically, but it is still up 883%. I mean, you're going to get a pullback when something goes up 1,200%. You're going to get some pullback. Now, what's important to see is how far will this pull back. Now, will it lose all of its gains? I don't think so. I think it's going to hover around maybe the $7, $8 mark, maybe a little bit lower, $6 maybe. But I think overall, I think it's a pretty. I think the resistance is there for it to kind of hang around that mark, and hopefully rebound and go further. I do have some ApeCoin. I did take off profits from it. So I'm just playing with house money. So if it goes up, it's pure profit. I do have some Axie Infinity, which is another metaverse coin. It's been kind of hovering around the $48, $45, $50 mark. And if you look back, I mean, the all-time high on this was I believe $200. Let me see here. Yeah, up to, let's see, 160. Yeah, $160 it was at one point. So it has the potential of going up there, but I think with all the other metaverse coins, the other metaverse plays, is kind of taking away from its momentum. You can always check the holders here, and they do seem to be consistently going up. With more holders means more investors. So that's a good sign. That is a very good sign. As far as the metaverse plays, Sandbox, Decentraland, they're neck and neck. I do like to see Sandbox up 14.27% for 7 days. That is good. Let's hope it continues this trend. What seems to be happening is it'll go up 10, 12%, and then it'll drop back down 5 or 6%, and then it'll go back up 8%, and it just kind of goes back. But I mean, let's take a look at the chart and see see how it's going up and down, up and down. Now let's look at the 7 day. Yeah, so it's kind of steady within this area right here. I'm hoping that once it gets listed on other exchanges, because Sandbox by the way, is only available on Gemini. So if you're interested in getting that crypto, go ahead and get it. You can get it through Gemini with my link. You'll get an additional $10 in Bitcoin if you sign up, and you trade more than $100. So I think once it gets listed on Coinbase and some of the other exchanges, it might break from this resistance and hopefully continue to go up. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. That's all I got for this week. Well, Monday anyway. I'll have another video at the end of the week to see how we do. And like I said, it doesn't take much to get started on your financial future. I mean, you can see $5 every 2 weeks, $10 every 2 weeks, just to get it started and invest in your future. And you can see the gains come up over time. You don't have to get yourself involved in anything risky. If you want a nice, comfortable play, you can invest in an ETF through the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ or even the Dow and get yourself started. So, check out the links down below. Like this video and subscribe and join the Cosmo crew. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Join the Cosmo crew. We'd love to have you aboard. And don't forget to sign up to Stash, man. Get $20 in stock just for signing up and linking your bank account. Also, sign up to Gemini. You sign in through Gemini, you can get $10 in Bitcoin by trading $100 or more. You can also earn interest on your crypto. A lot of the crypto that they have, simply by owning it, you earn interest. And a lot of those percentages are more than your bank account, your savings account, your checking account. You'll earn more with Gemini. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.